Gurudongmar Lake. It was etched in our minds since our first visit 3 years ago. To reach this lake, you need an early morning 4 a.m. start, and since you ascend to an altitude of almost 18,000 feet, you also need to be in good shape. Well, Arti had been sick since we left Mangan, and the weather made sure we don't get an early start either. And we were still looking for fuel.
And it continues to pour. I hope you can see now. So right now I'm just peeking through some spots in my spectacles where I can actually see, otherwise everything is covered in fog. And it's damn cold. Hairpin bend after hairpin bend, we're just climbing like crazy. Oh, this is the first time I'm actually feeling the bumps on this bike. Really? Let me know if it is too bumpy, okay? Slush. My nemesis. Oh, the rear is sliding out. This is the longest leg that we have attempted on this trip. So this will be a round trip of around 140 odd kilometers. पहली बार थोड़ा आगे दिखना शुरू हुआ है रोडवा और पेट का हाजमा जो है बढ़ गया है ऐसा धक्का धुक्का खा खा के साला इन लोग का भी अभी पहचान करना है हमको टांगों में चल के रुकते हैं ना वहाँ पे जाके नाश्ता करते हैं अच्छे से चेक पोस्ट पे लाइन लगा लेते हैं Tangu is only 6 kilometers from here and the time is 1 second time is 6:30 in 1 hour we have covered 30 kilometers. That is still not bad. Bad doggy. तू चिल्ला मत शांत हो गिरेंगे अपन
Riding through the rain had done a number on both of us. We took an hour-long break at Thangu to get some heat back in our bodies. For the journey ahead, I promised Arti I will turn the bike around at the very moment she felt she couldn't take it anymore. Gurudongmar will have to wait. But still, we marched on for another 2 hours till we reached the final checkpost.
Jai Bhole. That's the final checkpoint before Gurudongmar Lake. We made it so far. Now there is 14 kilometers of beautiful stretch ahead. इसको बाइक वाले को पूछो क्या पेट्रोल है क्या फ्यूल है क्या एक्स्ट्रा आपके पास 1-8 लीटर मिल सकता है कभी तो खड़ी रह सीधी यार मंगन में हमें पेट्रोल नहीं मिला अच्छा
उसके आगे
समझ गया
मुझे पता था
मंगन में नहीं है चढ़ने में काफ़ी जल गया यार हाँ पेट्रोल
सेकंड गियर बस
हाँ
फर्स्ट गियर में चल ही नहीं सकता
चलो ठीक है इतने में चला लेंगे काम थैंक यू सो मच यार जान बचाई अपने थैंक यू ऑलराइट द फाइनल 14 किलोमीटर्स Oh, Kamek, I love you. Baby? Oh, Babu. Yeah. Tell me what's happening. वहाँ पर तो और भी ठंड होगी Looks like we have landed on the moon. Taking up the Himalayan tour to explore. Maybe 5 kilometers. क्या हुआ आरती? आरती? What happened to you? Are you okay? What happened? No.
I'll do it all over again.
Yeah.
But not during rain.
Yeah.
Wind has now picked up like crazy, and it's time for us to get out of here as soon as possible. It's going like crazy, and the wind is blowing the entire snow now. Oh, it's the lake. My God, the wind! Oh, it's fucking blowing us tight.
Sorry. Sorry. Finally, we are almost back to Thangu. Baby, it's all here. Come on. Almost there. पहुंच गए. आरती, हमने गुरुडोंगमार कर लिया है अभी. On a bike. So the final leg of today's long and tiring, horrendous but beautiful journey begins. And as you can see, I'm almost out of fuel. For now, I have to nurse this bike back to Lachen. Hopefully this time while going back, we should be able to see some terrain and not just clouds. अभी ठीक है तू? The road is destroyed by the rain today. Himalayan at your service. अरे बाबू ब्रेक हाँ कमाल के
I wanted to show you this. Maybe when I just this thing is actually amazing.
अरे बहुत when you say stop इसमें ब्रेक मारूंगा stop करके तो गिर ही जाऊंगा ना. We had a very rough day today, mainly because of the rains and Aarti not being well. Somehow Gurudongmar Lake and this view right here kind of makes everything feel worth it.
With Gurudongmar in the bag, We now had time to spare and time to stare. As the fog lifted, we finally caught sight of the mesmerizing terrain. What was even more exciting was to see her get back to her chirpy self.